This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning, guys. It is October 22nd, 2018.
Turn left on Allen.
This one here, I got a call for, some lady said she turned her heat on and she smelled the burnt smell coming from when the fan kicked on. It smelled like something was burning in there.
Turn right on County Street.
So I'm on my way over there to see what's going on with it. That's what she said, so she cut it off. Calling me on Sunday. It's Monday morning. I'll go by there and see what's going on with it. Well, that's what she said. She says when the system come on and the fan tried to run, you could smell a burnt smell, so she shut it right off. So we'll go over there and investigate. Gonna go do some investigation work. What do you think? We'll figure it out. We'll figure out what's going on with the lady's heat. Capacitor's reading low. It's a 7.5, it's reading 6.5, so I gotta change it. Could be kind of cooking the motor. Not starting right. Oh, 6.75. That's a little low. We're gonna put one on there, a better one. Let's see what the new one does. That's 7.6, that's better. We're going to use that one. We'll change it. Capacitor to the motor is a little weak, so I'm going to change that. The capacitor to for the motor is weak.
I don't know what that means. That'll have something to do with it, you think?
Well, what it could be doing is it helps the motor to start, so if it's weak, it could be cooking the motor.
Oh, maybe that's the smell I got then.
Maybe that's the smell you got.
Yeah,
so.
because it wasn't a smell of it was a smell like it was as if we had an oil burner. Sometimes you get that
Well, let me
smell.
change it and we'll start it up and we'll check it, okay?
Yeah, okay.
That's all I can do. We'll try it. It says she was getting a burnt smell. Could be the transformer too. We'll try it. So you have been running the system. It's not the first day you started it, right?
No. We've been having it off and on when it's cool at night. I already covered the air conditioner and I switched it over.
So you said you smelt it when the motor kicked in?
When the heat was going to come out.
Yeah, so that's that's the motor.
Yeah,
So this is a capacitor that helps the motor start. It was weak. Should be 7.5 microfarads. It was 675. So
That
it
was
was,
nothing to a smell, maybe.
it's low. So
Yeah.
what could be happening is the motor's not starting and cooking.
No.
So I was gonna go ahead and start it up. Turn it up.
Okay. Turn it on.
Turn it on. We'll see what happens here. Where did you smell it? Upstairs?
Yeah, that's how I knew.
Alright, go up there and see if you can sniff. See if you can smell anything. If you do smell it, don't shut it off. Let it run. I think the air just kicked on. Go see if you can smell anything. Alright, replace fan capacitor. says she was getting a burn smell, oil smell, so that's probably what it was. Flipping hack job. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. Little skinny furnace.